Hello, good afternoon, good evening, namaste. This is Ira Sahai back again with another
Ira, there's a network issue from your end. Shashikant, are you also?
K11, and she has completed her formal education in finance but was always interested in science. She belongs from a sports background, as I said, having represented her school and college at state and university levels in volleyball, and currently competes in nationals in motorsports. She studied nutrition for herself, but over time found out that her actual interest laid into fitness and nutrition instead of corporate, and thereby she decided to pursue further education and successfully completed her diploma in metabolic health from DLife. She is currently practicing nutrition and exercise science and looking forward to taking clients from metabolic conditions background. Having added a big exposure to her practice, as I said, Krishna is a faculty at the K11, India's leading sports and human performance nutrition institute. And we have many people from K11 and also certified dietitians and nutritionists enrolled into the course. Krishna, an honor to have you. Very happy to have you in this course review video. Tell me, how are you and how does it feel to now be called metabolic health practitioner?
Hello, Ira. I am good. Hope everything is well. Now, since I've completed the certificate, having been called the metabolic coach definitely adds up value to my practice. Now, I am open to taking clients coming from pathology, and that is definitely adding a great exposure to my current practice. I've been practicing nutrition since quite some time, but completion of this course definitely is adding value because now I don't have any constraints when clients come from a medical background.
Yeah, good to know that, Krishna. You're such a powerful voice because you yourself are such a, well-known trainer, and you have made a name for yourself. I know Krishna is an avid biker. If you want to check out her pictures, you should go to her Instagram page and, check her out. She's into sports and, as I said, a K11 faculty. So, Krishna, you are already aced so much. You already are a pro in, nutrition, but that's sports nutrition. How would you say, or how would you explain the fact that that D life has added value to your practice? What were the elements that were missing in your practice earlier?
So, to start with, as I completed my course into human performance nutrition, that gave me the allowance to start practicing nutrition in the industry at first place. Over the time, it's always the practicer will not feel enough. So, with time, I felt that this is definitely very interesting, and as I said that my actual interest laid in science. So having known wanting to know science more in details, by doing the course, as I already mentioned, it gave me the allowance to start taking clients coming from pathology. So that was the only part, I would say, the only cap which was not there earlier. Earlier I used to take clients into this industry. Now if ever I wish to, I can always change my target audience. So I get that extra edge when it comes to my practice. So that way
Yeah,
it has.
and as I also understand, Krishna, correct me if I am wrong. As a sports and human performance nutritionist and trainer, are you allowed to handle metabolic health? I think that is outside of the purview of
Yeah.
sports
So the
nutrition.
whole context of the courses are different. So in that particular plate, the professional boundary comes into the picture wherein you're not allowed to take a client who is not healthy. So it's completely based on performance, wherein this course is completely based on conditions. So definitely now I feel it's a rounded figure for me.
Yeah, and tell us, Krishna, how did you come to D Life only? I mean, of course, as I always keep saying, there is no other course in India that is approved under NSDC partner government of India in this space, in metabolic health space. So was that the only factor, or somebody motivated you, or how did you come to D Life?
So this was definitely a factor, Ira. And while I was researching for the courses, so I always had this regret that I did not take up science after my 10th grade. So due to some personal issues, I couldn't take up science. And as I mentioned, as you mentioned in my introduction, that I took up nutrition as my studies. So when enrolling for D Life, initially what plans were was to start again with science, then continue bachelor, then masters, then PhD. That was a long path considering my age because I already completed my graduation. Then doing my research, I found about D Life and the diploma course, which I found is containing all the pointers which I was looking out for, and I will not even have to regret missing out on 8 years of my life, which I did. So definitely, it gave me the allowance to practice medical clients without being from the science background. Definitely, only after completing the course do I feel that I stand that position into the market.
Yeah, and Krishna is a great example of how being from a non-science background. I don't know, some clowns on Twitter, keep saying people do not have who did not have science background in 12th. Look at you. I mean, you are an ace trainer at K11, and not only that, you're now a metabolic health practitioner certified from D-Life, and the spectrum of clients that you must be handling. It's mind-boggling, Krishna. You are handling an entire spectrum. So here is an example, and as the course comes under Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, let me tell those people who underestimated that in terms of skill development, it is the government's mandate that anybody who has cleared his 10th, 12th grade from India or overseas can enroll in the course, whether it's a science background or arts background. I don't think there are, people who say that are a bigger name than you. So here is a very good example of what Krishna has done and achieved, despite being from a non-science background. And there are many more people like that in D-Life from all walks of, profession and, all walks of life. Krishna, how did you find the D-Life course while you were going through it? Tell us the USP and things that you loved about it.
So I was simply, as I mentioned, going through about my further studies. How do I do? And my search keywords would always be medical conditions, metabolism, metabolic conditions, because that is the future, evidently. So while going through, I also did research with a lot of other international universities, but I found that this particular D Life certificate holds a global value, and it is from India. And I saw the syllabus which is open for the. So that is again a very big thing that you've kept your syllabus open on the portal for the prospects to be viewing. And then I got in touch with you, and the interaction with you already got me convinced. Not convinced, rather persuaded. And then I felt that it's totally worth. The USP I would say is the backend, the portal. It's very user friendly. The videos, along with the content, you have also given the research links and the forum, which definitely added value because at any point of time, if the particular student or the person who is studying the course is getting any sort of questions or is getting stuck anywhere, the forum is always open. The mentors are always there. So definitely that point has pushed and has given me a very smooth experience throughout this year.
Yeah. And I think you've mentioned that on your D-Life course review as well, that she has written. Krishna has written, and just to underline what she said, the course is vast. It's the largest content on low carb nutrition and metabolic health in the world. We've been accrued 144 CPD hours, which is recognized in 50 plus countries, and I think Krishna has also taken the D-Life CPD certificate. So she's open to practicing in 50 plus countries. She will be now able to practice metabolic health besides her sports nutrition background. As far as the course is concerned, as I said, the largest content on low carb nutrition and metabolic health with 1,000 plus references to each, in the entire course. So that will take you, a long, long time to just get thorough with that. It's a deep dive. And there are 250,000 plus words in the course. There are 100 plus relevant videos. I mean, it's such a vast curriculum that, unless you're serious about it, unless you're really in the what you say spirit of learning, this is not a fly by night course or something like that, having been the only course approved under NSDC partner government of India. So this is the actually the crux of the course, or the course material that's available to our enrollees. Krishna, tell us about the forum access that you had and the support that you had, the recipes that you had access to, 2000 low carb recipes. And then we will come to how you have, reversed your parents' metabolic health condition after coming to the course, which is commendable. I think everybody should hear that. Yes, please talk about the support, that you got from D-Life.
So the forum, which are a very good platform when you want to discuss, or rather you want to share. So the colleagues, the people are very very friendly, be it the staff, the team, or the students itself. So anytime you have any questions, without hesitation, we can post on the forum, and a list of people are there to answer. You get every angle of the answer because there are varied people having their own perspectives. So you can take your call on the basis of so many answers. So that is there. The recipes definitely have helped because that recipe part is again a USP, I feel, because everybody is posting their own creativity, and every other person on the forum, on the course, is getting access. So it's like you can never say that you can never enjoy meals on low carb. There's it's actually having more recipes than a carbohydrate meal life. That's just sugars that is making you addicted. Here you get the variety, the absolute taste without having any condition, and rather, you know, remission हो रहा है. So definitely that forum and the recipes have helped a lot. Talking about my parents and that part, so I've been following the keto nutrition since very long time. But as I mentioned, heredity may I've been, you know, genetically been there on the obesity end. So my parents, having said that, my parents were overweight, and after coming across the course, as I mentioned, you always have the soft corner when it comes to parents, and you always want to help your family and the blood relation. But I was always scared, having lack of knowledge. So when I completed the course, when I got the knowledge about the conditions, the values, the blood works, reports, how to interact, how to change about the nutrition, supplements, that helped me a lot to shape my parents' nutrition. And I proudly say that my dad lost 40 kgs of weight, and he also reversed his high blood pressure. His kidney reports were around 58, the EGFR, which is now 90 plus. The creatinine levels have improved. Talking about my mother, she has experienced a lot of surgeries. She is like always considering about the hormonal end when it comes to a woman's body. Respecting that particular point, she her pace of losing weight was slow, but her pace of recovering from the health issues from the surgeries was very quick. Adding supplements, they were on more than 15 pills every day, and now my dad is just having one, my mom is just having four. That also
Fantastic,
are,
fantastic, Krishna, to know this from 15 pills to one.
and
And my God, what a recovery and what a turnaround for your parents. Thanks to you. And Krishna, this all of this happened after you enrolled into the D Life course and while you were in the D Life community from the learnings that you took, right?
yes, absolutely. So I got a great learning, and the best part was that the doctors were shocked, and they were quite supportive at the end. Initially everybody is hesitant, but I was like, I want to get this done and it will go according to me. I used to go in every health visit or the doctor's visit where my parents used to go. I used to monitor everything. I also had the knowledge of medicines, how the nutrition would react, what way, so that gave me an extra edge. And then over the period of time, the doctors were impressed, and so were my parents. And health is wealth, as we say. So we all are happy now.
I wish them all the best. May they always be happy and healthy. And thanks to you, Krishna, you are graced with so much knowledge now. I'm sure you will do your best and never let them come on more pills again. I mean, whatever is there.
Not
But yeah, yeah. So, Krishna, tell us, very interesting question there. Has the course fee that you paid, to D Life been worth it?
Yes, yes, every penny of it was worth. When you get the content, the duration, the knowledge, the access to forums, recipe, everything, the course fee is definitely worth. Initially, there might be hesitation to the prospects, key it is expensive or XYZ, but I definitely feel it's worth as and when I completed the course. So we don't need to think because the powers you get after completing the course is something which is worth.
Yeah, and here I would add to Krishna, what Krishna has said is that, there are lots of courses, but they are not in the metabolic health space. That is one. They are not low carb. That is another thing. And whatever courses are there that are generic, courses that certify you as a dietitian or a nutritionist, but they are not on low carb and they are 4 times more expensive than the life course. So not only does DLive give you bang for your money, being the only government approved course, but it is also half the price, I would say, of all of these courses, or maybe even more. So you, and plus the forum support and everything that you get here that you don't get with any other course. There is no recertification clause to a course. So once you're certified for life. We are the only ones with dual certification in India, NSDC partner, Skill India, and CPD, with the global biggest CPD hours to our course. So, and here is Krishna Suru, who is not just a certified sports and human performance nutritionist. She is actually the person who trains them. So, Krishna, what would you want to say to those people who think that you and I both know the reality of other courses, and they are not low carb and all of that. That's how clinicians or clinical dietitians, they tend to give the same Mari biscuit and all of that. And these are all in 3-year courses. What would you say to those people who say a 3-year course is, I think, more reasonable, or more, more doable, or should be done, versus an online course? Because all the top courses in the world, be it Nutrition Network or DLive, they're all online. The brick and mortar class time is over, and we have global classrooms, we have global students. As you know, we are the 21 countries enrolled with DLive. So what do you think is the difference really between the generic courses and the 6 months power pack DLive diploma? That's the only course that the government of India has approved.
So it's the only words I would say is it's quality over quantity. You should not always look out for the number of years or months, or sometimes there is a population which also thinks it's always about the purchasing powers. For some, if it is expensive, for some it might be cheap. So for the crowd who feels it's expensive, it's worth. And for the crowd who feels it's I should go for a more fancy course which comes for 3 years, it should be the quality and not the quantity. Having said that, the course which comes with such a diverse participation globally, the interaction you get, the experience you get, the question solving you get over here is something which highlights, and it's a lifelong support. It's not just that you pass out and you go hum kon tum kon. It's not that way. You always have the access. You always have the access to the content, whatever gets updated. I just received the mail too, so updated content is always also there. Getting all this, again, for me the highlight is I'm from a non-science background, and I am getting the privilege to practice metabolic condition wale clients is a very great thing. So I would definitely encourage people to get this done, going for quality over quantity, and you will realize once you do the course.
Yeah, and there are 2 points that I would add to Krishna, what Krishna has already said. One, there are 30 plus certified dietitians, nutritionists from various other courses now sitting in DLive, and finally doing the DLive diploma course. And on record, they all have said that we wish we knew about this. We would not have wasted 3 years of our life and 4+ lakh, of Indian money. So this is the reality. And second of all, you have Krishna Suru saying that, who's not only certified sports and human performance nutritionist. She's a faculty at K11. She teaches and makes people who are certified sports nutritionists. And hear it from her that it's quality over quantity. 3 years course is nothing. One, you don't have a course that is low carb nutrition and metabolic health. So 3-year course means nothing except wasting money and time. Krishna, to all those professionals who are in a similar field like you, and into sports nutrition, human performance nutrition, or certified dietitians and nutritionists, what would your advice be in terms of the scope of course? Why should they do the course? And whatever you want to add to that.
So it depends on the forte, as always I would say too. So if you feel your strength or your interest actually lies into medicine or anything related to pathology, then definitely this is a go-to course. You will not regret that you are not from science background. That's my say always, as I said. So you should do it if you are actually interested. You should not think twice if you want to get your target audience. If you feel that you have the scope of practicing uh, for the clients who are from medical conditions, this is the course you should be going for.
Yeah, and I think you will agree that, even to the gyms, or whatever whatever, scope you are currently having, you will always meet people who are metabolically compromised. So that's 80% of the market segment, which people who are certified dietitians and nutritionists may be missing, or sports nutritionists and human performance nutritionists may be missing. So Krishna's advice is very, very important, that to tackle that market, you will have to do this course and get legally certified to practice in India as a metabolic health coach. Before we wind up, I will give out a little bit of information about the course itself, and then we will have Krishna's last word. So we are, as I said, the biggest course in low carb nutrition and metabolic health in the world. We are the only legally tenable course in India approved under the NSTC partner Skill India, Government of India. We have 144 CPD hours, which is the global biggest. No other course in the world has that. We are also India's only the SMHP approved CMHE provider. There are 250 plus documented success stories of D-Life alone, and 5,000 plus success stories being created through our coaches now out in the market. Around 150 plus now are certified. There are 2,000 plus original low carb keto recipes posted on the forum for use for our enrollees, for our students, members, which is otherwise a subscription based feature for people who are not in the course. So this is given as complimentary to all our enrollees, so that they can start their practice and have everything at their disposal they can use to become a great coach. We have 200 plus podcasts on D-Life channel. We have in the course, as I said, largest content, 1,000 plus references to 50,000 plus words, 100 plus relevant videos in the course. There is lifetime access to the course. Krishna will have lifetime access to the course too. There is no recertification clause. There is 6 months additional access to the forum from the start of internship, which is also complimentary. And that's about the course. Krishna, anything else that you would want to say before you wind up?
I would say I've had a great experience, and all the best to whoever is getting started, whoever is watching the video. Do not hesitate, you can just go for it and you will feel it's worth.
Yeah, so this is Krishna Suru. I keep mentioning and very proud of her. And Krishna, I'm very proud that you came through me, and what a conversation we had. So glad that you could complete the course and get finally certified. Very proud of your achievements, and we are always there for you. And with this, I bid goodbye, and I'll see you in another course review video of D-Life Diploma, Low Carb Nutrition and Metabolic Health. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. All the best, Krishna, and
Thank you.
roar in your practice, and wish you good health and your parents also very good health and happiness all, forever.
Thank you.
Thank you.